Creating NFT collections at Singular.app. Click on the Create button. Choose the network where you wish to deploy your collection. Click on Create Collection. Choose a file to be the logo of your collection. You can also drag and drop from a local folder. Write the name of your collection. Select the maximum supply of your collection. If you don't want to have a limit, keep the Unlimited Number of NFTs button on. Select a symbol for your collection. You can use the magic wand to generate a random symbol or write your own. Write an appealing description for your collection. Do not check the box for Soulbound Collection. We will cover that in another tutorial. You may add an external link, such as your website or a social media page for your collection. Set the royalty percentage you want to receive from each secondary sale. Click on the Create button. Confirm the transaction on your wallet. Your collection is now visible and ready to have NFTs minted on it. Check our Learning Hub at Singular.app for additional instructions.